Hello and welcome. My name is Fame Ebong, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to make a disinfectant or an antiseptic. In general, you're actually making Dettol, because in Nigeria here we all know it as what Dettol, but it's actually called disinfectant. So I'll be showing you how to actually make Dettol using a very simple and easy practical steps. Then don't forget to follow me on social media. I am on TikTok, The Famous Guy. I'm also on Instagram. The name is The Famous Guy. Then you can check our Facebook page, Famous Skincare. So you will learn a lot of things by following me on social media. Also, we now have an ebook readily available. Check the description of this video for how to purchase the ebook. The ebook is very rich. It contains a lot of skincare formulation and also how to make soap. You can buy the ebook worldwide. Any part of the country you are, you can actually pick the ebook. Check the description of this video on how to purchase the ebook. Then don't forget to follow and the online class. Check the description of this video for the link where you can join our online class where we teach soap making and other skincare production. So this is our chloroxylenol. Chloroxylenol comes in two forms. It can come in the powder form or in the liquid form, but the one I purchased at the chemical store came in the powder form, so I have to see how I can dissolve it. Now this chemical doesn't dissolve with warm water. You have to cook this chemical on fire. Cook it for at least 3 or 4 minutes. It's going to dissolve in the presence of heat. So I'm going to cook it. Now this is how it looks like after I've heated it. I cooked it for at least 3 to 4 minutes, and this is how it looks like. I'm going to pour it into the mixture that is containing the other chemicals for the Dettol production. So you see how it comes out. It looks cloudy. This is normal. There is nothing wrong with it. It will come out looking cloudy. So all you just do is to stir it. Don't forget, this chemical does not dissolve in the presence of warm water. It needs hot water, or you cook it before it can dissolve. Chloroxylenol, don't forget, it doesn't dissolve with normal temperature water. It needs hot, or you cook it before it dissolves. If you are getting the powder form, but if you get it in the liquid form, there is no need of cooking it again. So I'm going to pour my ethanol into this mixture. In this ethanol case, you can use any alcohol. You can make use of ethanol, or you make use of methanol, or you can use IPA, isopropyl alcohol. Any alcohol will do this job. If you have methanol, you can use methanol. If you have ethanol, you can use your ethanol. If you